Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mrs. Peterson, that lady who teaches art, and today we're going to review the element of art called value. Please start by putting your name on the top of your paper, first name, last initial, and then your class will be second grade. And like I said, we are doing value. That's V-A-L-U-E. That is our big word for today. Right here I have a picture of different values, all the way from white, light gray, middle gray, dark gray, and black. And our definition for value is the lightness, so that starts with an L, or the darkness of an image. So our lightest value is white. Would you write that right here? W-H-I-T-E. And our darkest value then is black. B-L-A-C-K. Halfway between these two we call middle gray. G-R-A-Y. Okay, and then here the directions say glue the correct shade on each box for the value scale. So if you go all the way down to the bottom of your packet, it says cut along the dotted line. So I'm just going to take my scissors, and just like we always do, I keep my thumb up. My scissors are pointed out in front of me, and I'm going to cut across that dotted line. From there, I can cut out these boxes right on the edge, and it's easier if I cut the whole length. And then go back and cut the whole length. I have one white scrap that's going to be thrown away. And then I'm going to cut these shades across because they are not in the right order right now, and I want to put them in the right order. Okay, so I can find my white one, and I can find my black one pretty easily. And then I just need to find the ones in the middle and sort them out by which one's darker, and then the next darkest, and then the next darkest. Once you have them sorted and they're in the right order, then you could just slide them up. And I'm going to show you a trick. Instead of trying to glue each individual piece, I can just take my glue stick and slide it all the way across. Oops, try not to move them like I just did. And then when I stick these on, I don't have to glue each one. Kind of saves my fingers from getting so much glue on them. All right, then down here it says use your pencil to create each value. So for the white one, I don't need to do anything. That box is already white. But now I'm going to try to use my pencil to go light gray in this box. And I'm going to use a hatching technique, which is just diagonal lines in one direction. I'm going to try to stay in the box, but I'm going to try to fill the whole box up with a light gray shade. And these two shades should look close to each other. And on the next one, I'm going to push just a little bit harder. I'm trying to match this shade. Okay, fill in the whole box. Try to make sure the whole box is even. My corner appears a little bit lighter, so I'm going to darken that up. I go to the next box. Now I need to push a little bit harder. This one takes longer. I need to move my pencil a little more slowly. That whole box. I can see that they're definitely getting darker. Now this one is the hardest one of all. I have to push as hard as I can without breaking my pencil or ripping my paper. When I'm all done, I'm going to look and make sure that I can tell the difference between each shade. This one looks like I could even go a little bit darker in some areas. So I'm going to do that now. Make sure it looks like a different shade than this one. And then my last thing is I can clean up with my eraser any places where I got out of the boundary. And that is how you're going to create a value scale with your pencil.